Hello everyone, this is Vadi. Welcome to Rasna Packet. Today we are going to see important health benefit tips to reduce your blood sugar and maintain your body sugar level. And it is very natural, and it is you can say it's an ancient remedy. 1,000 years in Asian people used to follow these remedies. It's about sky fruit. So this is the sky fruit, Manogani. The sky fruit is from Manogani tree, which mostly found in Asia. And why this is called as a sky fruit? Because most of the fruits which hang below the ground, but this sky fruit it face upward from the tree, so that's why it's called sky fruit, and also it's called miracle fruit. Definitely, guys, I was trying this with my family members and friends, and they have got very good result. Please go for it. Just try at least for a month, and it is very cheaper, just 25 rupees of entire packet. So you can go for it. It has 24 pieces of seeds. Yeah. So what are the health benefits I'm going to read? It reduces the blood glucose and it's good for diabetes. It controls your body fat, and also it's boosted your immunity. It's a good immune booster during this COVID time, and you must definitely try this out. And also it is useful for asthma treatment. Also the person who doesn't able to sleep at night, insomnia, these kind of problem it can able to rectify by this seed. Is a miracle seed, and it also cures skin allergy. If you have the skin allergy, definitely it will work as a miracle, as I said. So in olden days, the ancient people from China, India, even from North India, people are consuming this sky fruit. They are still at very young age, at the age of 80s. So it is anti-aging property. Definitely you have to go for it, because for 4 years, one of my friend was recommended this one. He is a Ayurvedic doctor, and I started trying this with my family's past 1.5 years. So definitely it worked. And how to you have to consume this, and I'm going to explain about this now. So this is one of the seed. You have to remove the shell. Yes, after opening the shell, you will see a slim cashew nut kind of seed. Yes, this is eatable part. And if you have a low sugar, somewhat near range, and you have to eat early morning empty stomach of seed for 7 days. If you have very sugar, and you have to have full seed for 7 days. Hi friends, I hope you watched the video completely. So now you know about the beneficial about this miracle fruit. You can try it out because it doesn't give any side effects. Very low sugar patient should not try this one. And yeah, it is very cheaper, 25 rupees. And where to purchase? You can purchase from online. If you can't able to find this one, please mention in below comments, that then I will guide you where to purchase this. Hopefully I will bring some other good tips on next video. Thanks for watching. Signing out. Bye bye. Please, if you like this video, share, like and subscribe. Motivate me. Bye.